We started this module by looking into filtering and searching. Filtering allows you to be precise by adding filters until you get exactly the result you want. Searching allows you to go wider. It's used when you don't exactly know which items will be in the collection. We don't pass in a field name that should match. We pass in a value to search for, and it's up to the API to decide which fields shall be searched for that value. Often that's done with full text search, but the implementation is up to the API. We implemented both, and along the way we learned about deferred execution with LINQ, the principle that allows query execution to occur sometime after the query is constructed. It's thanks to that principle that we could build our Entity Framework core query, taking filter and search parameters into account without it hitting the database before the query was fully constructed. After that, we looked into paging. Paging can be very good for performance if done correctly. We should pass the page size and page number via the query string. Think about limiting the page size that's passed in to avoid consumers requesting one page with 100,000 records. In other words, make sure to provide default values for page size and page number. When paging, it's important to send page size and page number all the way through to the underlying data store. Like that, only the requested page is returned from the store. Thanks to deferred execution, we can use skip and take statements for that. Page by default to avoid performance issues when the collection grows. And lastly, it's important to return pagination metadata so the consumer knows how many pages are left, for example. That metadata belongs in a custom header, for example, an X-pagination header. Up next is another fundamental concern to think about when building APIs: securing them.